Yeah, we're back again. We're back with the particle gray. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button. Perfect. Oh yeah, I'm Retro God. You already know that though, because you're subscribed, right? You're subscribed? You already know what this is. We're about to get into these particle gray or black on gray. I don't know what makes them particle gray. We're about to find out. We're about to throw them on a turntable, make them do the salsa for us, and without further ado, let's get into it. All right, YouTube, we're back with these weird particle grays. Well, they're not weird, actually fire still. Particle gray swoosh right off the bat, slapping you upon the face as soon as you look at the shoe. And this is really a good color blocking because we all know gray and black and white goes with everything. Well, pretty much everything. I admit it, you're gonna get this shoe because it goes with everything. That's why you get every shoe in black. But anyways, yeah, man, they really did get the blocking right overall, as I was saying, on the shoe, down to the way the tongue looks, the way the eye stays look. Stitching here looks pretty clean as far as I can tell. I ain't got no complaints there. You roll around to the back and you got the Air Jordan wings dip on, and that looks really nice. Dog, this colorway is actually fire. Now when you go around to the medial side, this is a real smoky shadow. This is Smoke from Mortal Kombat's shoe. If he had a shoe, this is what he would wear, on God. Yeah, this is one of those releases where I was waiting in line, you know what I mean, a little stick man or whatever is there, and I didn't get to the end, but I walked into the store and found them. Yeah, that's how it is these days. People don't even check the store anymore. They just accept the L. It's just a great shoe to have. Black mudguard, black outsole. And speaking of the outsole, it's the legendary, the awesome, the amazing cup sole with the encapsulated air unit in the heel, just to give you that, you know, a little bit of comfort, you know, when you're walking Pond Road, you know what I'm saying? You don't want to be super flat-footed. So that's what they do. They cram some air inside of these cup soles. You can't feel it, but it's there. Seems to me like these Jordan 1 lows are taking over, man. Cost effective. They look like high tops. At least they have the high top feel to them, but they're easy to slip on, and they pretty much go with everything, as I said before. So it's a steal. This is steal. Get them while you can, because when people find them in stores, they're gone. You got the gray Jordan brand on the top of the tongue, and you know it's embroidered. So, and that's another thing I like about these embroidered tongues, and they last a lot longer than some of these tabs, and some of them get dirty or whatever. But that's really clean looking. You have the black on black 23 with the black laces. I thought this was a really nice touch. This whole area of the shoe really came together really nice. These shoes are really dope, as a matter of fact. Now when you move on to the inner portion of the shoe, you have this neoprene inner. It's super soft, fam. Like when you put your foot in that, you're not gonna want to take them out for a while. You know, gray interior with the black insole. You got a gray Jordan brand on the inside. Man, I gotta say, this is a fire colorway. I knew I had to review these, especially since the shadows and the Shadow 2.0s went so quickly. Let's take a look at the box anyways while we're here, just so we can see what we're dealing with. Box reads Air Jordan 1 Low, black particle gray, white, size 10. You got your RFID chip scanner, you know what I mean, Fugazi inspector or whatever, and you have Canadian $135 suggested retail price. So yeah, dog, pretty penny. Standard black box as usual. Anyways, guys, that's the review of the Jordan 1 Low particle gray. Let me know what you guys thought of these joints. Did you cop? Did you miss out? Did you like go into the store and just get them like I did? Because that's the easiest way to get them right now, as it seems. So anyways, make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button, punch it right in the back of the neck for me. Without further ado, we're about to get to the on foot, so let's go. Perfect.